Good morning from here. Welcome to today's first live session where we are going to be looking into the market very deeply before the London market opens. All right, if you are joining in for the very first time, and as usual, please click on your play button, simply move into the settings tab and make sure you select your video quality or set it to the 480 pixel so you can get a better view at your end. All right. Okay, having said that, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements that we are expecting for today. This one here is over. This was the FOMC meeting minute release as of yesterday. Price tend to take some time before it moved, and that has to deal with this news release hour. Like I said, it takes a lot of time before you can begin to see price push in their directions. All right, for today, what we're expecting, we have quite a number of high impact news announcements here for today. We have 3 from the American dollar axis. You can see this one right here, the unemployment claims, then the crude oil inventories. Those are the 3 announcements that are coming from the American dollar axis. One from the euro axis. Draghi, President Draghi, European Central Bank President Draghi will be speaking today. So you want to be careful, especially trading the euro crosses with Draghi's speech. Also, American dollar crosses within their news release hours. So keep this on your notepad and avoid trading all American dollar and euro crosses around those news release hours. All right, let's move into the charts and conduct our analysis. I have already done my update quotes for today, and I should be able to apply the forex currency index because we are seeing some trends in most of those pairs, like for the euro against the American dollar. Let me take out this. Excuse me. Okay, for the euro against the American dollar, this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see that solid push, a solid push, even though price action in the 1 hour time frame tend to be very difficult to trade. All right, tend to be difficult to trade. We had already predicted this direction a long time ago, and we have remained focused with this direction, and we have been calling for this upper push. If you apply the forex currency index, let's apply that chart, set it to the 15 minutes time frame, template forex currency index. You will see an absolute strength and absolute weakness right there. I am sure about that. Forex currency index. Okay, in the 15 minutes time frame, we're looking into the euro against the American dollar in the 1 hour time frame. You will see in the 1 hour time frame the euro is absolutely strong right there. That's a green light. Euro has a +5, all right, of strength. American dollar is absolutely weak, extremely weak. It has a -8 degree of weakness. So this is an absolute combination, and if you are looking to trade this pair, you want to only search for long opportunities in the euro against the American dollar. All right, that's it. Well, I believe plenty of the trading opportunities are setting up for next week, not even this week. This is just the beginning of that movement for this pair. Is just the beginning. We are likely going to see price keep pushing to the upside even up till next week. Okay, so don't you worry, don't feel that price has gone without you. No, that's not right. Whenever you have that feeling, you tend to make a lot of mistakes. This is absolutely bullish, we know about that. Don't you worry, like I said, the actual entry for most of these pairs is coming up by next week, and we'll be discussing that over the weekend. We'll be showing you where to take the trade. In fact, for the singular reason of that, because we are going to be taking some entries on Sunday night or Sunday evening as the market is going to open. We are going to have a live session just to take those trades live so you can follow as well. Okay, All right, so for the euro against the American dollar, price is currently at approaching a level that might act as resistance. Let me zoom in this chart. Okay, so that's the leaning line. This is the next level of resistance. Once that line gives way, then we are going to see further pushes to the upside. Although we are approaching this level of resistance, but don't go short. All right, please do not click on your sell button. The euro against the American dollar is heavily bullish, and you don't want to go short around that level of resistance. All right, in the 1 hour time frame, nothing much. It's a solid trend. Price is not even looking back. This is not a sideways Tokyo range. It is not, so there is no London open breakout to set up. It is just a push in one direction. If you look into the 15 minutes time frame, you will see price has been trending. You don't want to see price trending, so there is no London open breakout set up for now. Okay. You need to wait, even though we know that the directional bias is to the upside, but please, you need to wait for a valid setup to present itself. Using the 3 SMA indicator, the trend here is just too steep. It doesn't belong to the 1 hour time frame because price has not been bouncing off the dynamic area of support. So let's see the 30 minutes time frame. All right, so it actually belongs to the 30 minutes time frame with those bounces. So if price comes back down, somewhere there is where you want to be looking for your long entries. But with this type of a price movement, it is difficult to find a point of confluence around that area. So just be patient. All right, just be patient. This is not the only American dollar repair. There are others that we have, even a clearer market bias. Like I said, they will be coming up by next week. Next week we'll be taking the trades, so don't worry, you have not missed anything. I repeat, you haven't missed anything. The actual trades will be coming this weekend. All right, let's move on to our other pairs and conduct our analysis.